The Peruvian desert whispers tales of a vanished civilization. Here, in the heart of southern Peru, the Nazca lines sprawl across the arid earth. These enigmatic geoglyphs, etched into the desert floor, have captivated the world for centuries. Created by the Nazca people, who flourished from 500 BCE to 500 CE, these massive designs depict an array of animals, plants, and geometric shapes. Some figures are as large as the Empire State Building, yet they were crafted with astonishing precision. How did the Nazca people achieve such a feat? What inspired them to create these colossal artworks in one of the driest places on Earth? The Nazca lines have puzzled archaeologists, historians, and scientists for decades. Some believe the lines were astronomical calendars aligning with celestial events. Others propose they were sacred pathways for religious rituals, connecting the Nazca people to their gods. Despite the lack of definitive answers, one thing is certain: the Nazca lines are a testament to the enduring power of human curiosity. They are a reminder that even in the harshest of environments, beauty and wonder can flourish. Join us as we delve into the enigma of the Nazca lines, exploring their history and the theories surrounding their creation. Before we can unravel the enigma of the Nazca lines, we must first journey back in time to understand the people who created them. The Nazca civilization thrived in the arid valleys of southern Peru for centuries, adapting to one of the harshest environments on Earth. They were masters of hydraulic engineering, constructing intricate systems of underground aqueducts known as puquios to irrigate their crops and sustain life in the desert. The Nazca people were also skilled artisans, renowned for their exquisite pottery and textiles. Their pottery, adorned with vibrant colors and intricate designs, provides a glimpse into their beliefs, rituals, and daily life. The Nazca textiles, woven from cotton and alpaca wool, were equally impressive, showcasing their mastery of textile production. These artifacts reveal a society that was both resourceful and artistic, capable of adapting to their challenging environment while expressing their creativity in remarkable ways. By studying these artifacts, we can piece together fragments of their story, gaining a deeper appreciation for the people who left their mark on the desert landscape. Despite the insights gleaned from their archaeological remains, much about the Nazca civilization remains shrouded in mystery. They left behind no written language, so we must rely on the interpretations of their material culture to reconstruct their history, beliefs, and motivations. The Nazca lines, with their enigmatic designs and massive scale, stand as the most enduring and perplexing testament to this lost civilization. Were these lines purely decorative, a form of artistic expression on a grand scale? Or did they hold a deeper, more profound significance for the Nazca people? The answers to these questions remain elusive, lost to the sands of time. Yet, the very mystery of the Nazca lines is part of their allure, drawing us into a world of speculation and wonder. Gazing upon the Nazca lines from the air, one can't help but feel a sense of awe at their sheer scale and complexity. Some researchers believe these geoglyphs were designed to be seen from above, not by humans, but by the gods themselves. Could these massive figures have served as celestial maps, charting the movements of the sun, moon, and stars? Certain lines align with the rising and setting points of significant stars, leading some to propose that the Nazca people possessed a sophisticated understanding of astronomy. The Nazca lines, in this context, become a testament to the human desire to comprehend the universe and our place within its vast expanse. The debate over the celestial map theory continues, leaving us to ponder the true relationship between the Nazca lines and the heavens above. Another compelling theory suggests that the Nazca lines were not meant to be seen from the sky at all, but rather experienced from the ground. Could these geoglyphs have been sacred paths used in religious rituals and processions? Proponents of this theory point to the discovery of pottery shards and other offerings along the lines, suggesting that the Nazca people engaged in ceremonial activities within these massive figures. Perhaps they walked these paths to pay homage to their gods, to seek blessings for rain and fertility, or to connect with the spiritual realm. The sheer act of creating these immense figures, requiring countless hours of labor under the scorching desert sun, speaks to a deep devotion and a desire to honor something greater than themselves. The mystery of their purpose deepens, urging us to consider the intricate relationship between the physical and spiritual worlds in Nazca culture. In the arid environment of the Nazca Desert, water was not just a resource, but a matter of life and death. The Nazca people were masters of hydraulic engineering, constructing intricate systems of underground aqueducts to bring water from the Andes Mountains to their fields. Could the Nazca lines in some way be connected to their vital need for water? Some researchers believe the line served as a giant map indicating the location of underground water sources or the flow of seasonal rivers. The intricate patterns and geometric shapes in this context could represent a sophisticated understanding of hydrology and a desire to control and manage this precious resource. The Nazca people's survival depended on their ability to adapt to their environment and their ingenuity in securing water. The Nazca lines, viewed through this lens, become a testament to human resilience, our ability to innovate, and our deep connection to the natural world. Ready to discover your next great adventure? Welcome to Travel with Glenn. Join me as I explore amazing destinations, share travel tips, and uncover hidden gems from around the globe. Hit subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Facebook to never miss an adventure. Plus, get exclusive content and exciting giveaways. Travel with Glenn. Your journey starts here. Among the many figures etched into the Nazca Desert, the hummingbird stands out for its delicate beauty and profound symbolism. This graceful creature, frozen in flight with its long beak extended, seems to hover above the barren landscape, a testament to life's endurance in the face of adversity. The hummingbird, with its ability to survive in harsh environments, may have represented resilience and adaptability to the Nazca people. Imagine the Nazca artists meticulously plotting out the hummingbird's form, using ropes and stakes to translate their vision onto the vast desert canvas. Each curve, each line, carefully measured and executed, speaks to a deep reverence for the natural world and a desire to capture its essence. The hummingbird, in its delicate dance with nature, embodies the interconnectedness of all living things, a message that resonates even today as we face our own environmental challenges. The Nazca lines are a complex tapestry of interconnected symbols, each contributing to a larger narrative. The spider, linked to creation and fertility, contrasts with the monkey, associated with the underworld and the cycle of life and death. Imagine the Nazca people gathering around these figures, their lives intertwined with nature's rhythms. The Nazca lines challenge us to delve into the deeper mysteries of life, death, and the spiritual realm. The condor, with its immense wingspan and ability to soar to incredible heights, holds a prominent place in Andean cosmology, representing power, freedom, and a connection to the divine. This majestic bird, etched into the desert floor with breathtaking precision, seems to beckon us to join it on its flight, to rise above the mundane and embrace a wider perspective. Imagine the Nazca people gazing up at the condors circling overhead, their movements mirroring the celestial bodies in the sky. The condor, in its ability to traverse the earthly and celestial realms, might have served as a spiritual guide, a symbol of transcendence and enlightenment. The Nazca lines, viewed from this perspective, become a pathway to the heavens, a means of connecting with the sacred and tapping into the hidden forces of the universe. As we continue to explore and interpret these enigmatic figures, we are reminded that the past is never truly lost, but lives on in the traces we leave behind. The scale and precision of the Nazca lines often lead to speculation about their creation, with some even attributing their existence to extraterrestrial intervention. However, the truth, as is often the case, is more grounded, yet no less impressive. The Nazca people, using surprisingly simple tools and techniques, transformed the barren desert floor into a canvas for their monumental creations. The primary tools used to create the Nazca lines were wooden stakes, ropes, and simple digging implements. These tools, readily available from the surrounding environment, were all the Nazca people needed to etch their intricate designs onto the desert floor. The simplicity of their tools belies the complexity of their achievement, a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the Nazca people. Precision in the dust. Unraveling the techniques. The creation of figures as large and precise as the Nazca lines, without modern surveying equipment, might seem impossible. The Nazca people were adept at working with scale and proportion, employing ingenious techniques. One theory suggests they used a grid system, creating a smaller scale model and scaling it up. Imagine a team of Nazca surveyors using ropes and stakes to lay out a grid on the desert floor. By dividing the model and the site into squares, they could accurately replicate the lines and curves. Another theory proposes the use of a central point and radiating lines to maintain accuracy. Stretching ropes outward at specific angles created guidelines for the design. The Nazca people's techniques highlight their deep understanding of geometry and spatial awareness. The Nazca lines stand as a testament to human ingenuity, proving remarkable feats are possible. Rediscovering a lost world. For centuries, the Nazca lines lay hidden in plain sight, their immense forms obscured by the vastness of the desert. It wasn't until the early 20th century, with modern aviation, that the Nazca lines were truly rediscovered. What seemed like natural formations soon revealed themselves to be intricate and deliberate. Peruvian archaeologist Toribio Mejia Gespe began studying them in the 1920s. Paul Kosak later noticed certain lines aligned with solstices and equinoxes, suggesting an astronomical purpose. Taking flight, a new perspective. To truly appreciate the grandeur of the Nazca lines, one must take to the skies. From the air, the lines come alive, their intricate patterns and massive scale revealed. The hummingbird appears frozen in mid flight, its delicate form stretching across the desert. The spider, with its elongated legs, sprawls across the landscape. Tourist flights offer a unique perspective on these ancient wonders. As the plane banks, the figures reveal themselves, shifting with the angle of the sun. The lines shimmer and dance in the sunlight, creating an ethereal spectacle. But even as we marvel, we are reminded of their fragility. The desert environment is a harsh mistress. Erosion, wind, and rain pose threats to the lines. Efforts are underway to protect and preserve the Nazca lines. UNESCO declared the site a World Heritage Site in 1994. Conservationists and archaeologists work tirelessly to monitor and protect the site. A legacy etched in time. The Nazca lines stand as a testament to human creativity and our connection to the cosmos. They remind us that even in harsh environments, beauty can flourish. Their true purpose remains a mystery, captivating our imaginations. The Nazca lines are more than just lines in the sand. They reflect the human spirit and our desire to leave a mark. Though the Nazca people have vanished, their legacy lives on. The past is woven into our present, challenging us to seek the extraordinary.
Travel far and wide, let's take flight. See the world's wonders, day and night. From sandy beaches to mountain peaks, every adventure, a memory we keep. Join the journey, share the thrill,